Did you know The Lion King almost never existed? Here's why. After years of work and over 600 artists, animators, and technicians contributing to the film, the studio shut down. In 1994, Los Angeles experienced one of its worst earthquakes, causing a lot of damage to the city, and many businesses and studios had to shut down. This happened just weeks before the film's release. Luckily, the makers of the film gathered as much as they could from the studio and brought the work home, making the deadline by just a hair.